I'm gonna declutter my wardrobe, and I just thought, why not bring you on the journey with me? I've done a few decluttering videos before, but like I've never done my wardrobe, but like I need to have a clear out. I've ordered more clothes, so there will be another Pretty Little Thing haul on the way, so keep an eye out for that one. And I've got so many clothes in my wardrobe that I don't need anymore. So I'm gonna have a declutter of my wardrobe. You're not allowed to judge me at how messy my wardrobe is, please. But yeah, let's just do this. I've even got a lovely pile of clothes put away here, but let's just forget about that for now. But this is my wardrobe. It's a bit dirty, I need to clean the glass, but look at the cat, she's sleeping. Hello. Say hello to everyone. If I open the doors to the wardrobe, you're gonna see I've just got bloody everything in here. Like, this is a wig that I was supposed to make for uni, but never did. And then literally all of these clothes, which half of them I don't even wear, like, especially like this half, yeah. Like, I don't wear anything out of that. And then I've also got drawers, which are literally rammed full of stuff I don't wear. I honestly don't even know where to start. Like, where do I start? I feel like I'm gonna use this space on my bed to like put piles of clothes. But yeah, shall we just start on what's hanging up? So let me just get my stuff down. Okay, so first of all, I've got this khaki like shirt dress, which I am gonna keep. I've put the camera like on a box in my wardrobe, and I'm gonna like pull everything out. The lighting isn't great, but you know, oh well. Next I've got like this cropped hoodie, but I don't really think it's my vibe anymore. I mean, it was cute. I think I bought it from like New Look or H&M, and I just don't think I'm ever really gonna wear that again. I've got to be blunt with myself, and I've actually got to get rid of stuff, because I just keep stuff even though I know I'm not gonna wear it, but I'm actually gonna get rid of this because I'm not gonna wear that again. Next I've got this, like, I don't know, what do you call it, like a biker jacket or something. It's just like a jacket, but I will actually wear this because the sleeve's tucked in. But yeah, I will actually wear this in the summer. I've just not been wearing it because it's winter, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. This like grey cropped jumper, but like it's supposed to like tie up at the side, but like I've lost the tie up, so yeah, I'm gonna have to. I liked this jumper, but it's quite old now anyway, so I'm just gonna have to throw that one away. Next I've got this white long top. I'll probably just keep it because I'm sure I'll wear it at some point. I've got like this pink hoodie, and I can't decide if I want to keep it or not. Like, I feel like maybe it can just be like good for like scruffs, like, you know, if I need to paint or anything, like I could just wear this and it'll be okay. I've then got like this pink knitted jumper, but in all honesty, I don't think I'm gonna wear this again. This is like probably like 4 years old, so I think it's time to say goodbye. I've then got this like bomber jacket, which I don't know if I like it or not. I might try it on and see if it looks any good. Yeah, it's a no from me. And now I know why I've probably not worn that in like 3 years. Then I actually have two really cute dresses which I ordered from Pretty Little Thing, but I didn't actually wear this one because the tag's still on it, but I'm definitely gonna wear this year because it's like a little cherry material. It's got like a corset waist. It's actually such a cute dress, definitely keeping that. And then I've also got this, it's like a floral material, and then it's got like a tie here, and then they're like the sleeves, but it's like super short, but I'll definitely wear it because it's very cute. I've also got this, like, it's like a flowy dress. I've had it for a while, but it's such a pretty like summery dress. I've got like this cropped hoodie, but I really don't think I'm gonna wear this. Like, I don't really think it's, I think it's a bit big for me. I don't think I'll wear it again, but my sister really likes like oversized cropped hoodies, so I might just give this to her. Cheeky raincoat. I'll keep this in case it rains. I didn't even know that I owned this dress. Like, where has this dress come from? I swear that I've never bought this. I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like. Let me stand up and show you. I mean, she's kind of cute, but I'm probably never gonna wear it, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. Like, if I need a black dress, they're like £5 on Pretty Little Thing. I don't think it's the most flattering for my figure, so this is gonna go. I honestly don't ever remember buying that dress anyway, so I've got no clue where that came from. This was from my teenage years. I reckon I got this in about year 9. Now in uni, so I don't think this is not my vibe anymore. This one's gonna go. This is like a jumper from Pretty Little Thing. I'll definitely keep this because it's actually really comfortable. It's like a floaty summer top, but oh my god, how see-through is that? I can literally see outside through it. I never knew that. It doesn't look that see-through, but in the camera it's literally like transparent. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I'll just have to wear a vest top underneath it, won't I? again from the teenage years, was probably bought in about year 8, year 9. Not for me anymore. This was what my winter coat last year. It's from New Look and I actually love it. It's such a nice coat. So I'm definitely keeping this one. This is a hoodie from my boyfriend, so I'll definitely keep this. This is like a, I don't know how you explain it. It's like a waterproofy jacket, like a track jacket. I don't know what's it called, but it's from Topshop and I actually really like this. It's nice for like, you know, like the colder summer days where you actually need a jacket. Like this is the sort of thing I'll wear. This is my green fluffy parka jacket that every single girl had in like 2015 or like 2016, 2017. I'm not gonna wear that again, so this is going. Get your sunglasses on, guys. Neon green dress. I actually had to buy this for a uni project and I was gonna send it back after, but it got makeup on it, so I couldn't. So I've kept it, and I mean, you know, in case we ever get invited to a neon party, I'm prepared. This is like my wedding guest dress. Like, you know when you get invited to a wedding, you need like a specific type of dress. This is my wedding one. Red denim jacket. I actually have the matching denim skirt with this. And I actually really like it. It's from Boohoo and it looks really cute. I also have this camo crop jacket that I really love. This cardigan was actually my mum's and it's like a knitted, like a chunky knit cardigan. And it's actually really cute, you know, just to throw over an outfit to keep you a bit warmer. It's actually really cute. It's got like little embroidery on it. I actually love this cardigan. My Couture Club blue cropped hoodie. I love this. I'm definitely keeping it. Another Couture Club. This is like the oversized acid wash flannel top and I'll definitely keep this as well. Another denim jacket. A girl can never have too many denim jackets. This is like my boyfriend's top. I'm gonna ask him if he wants it because I don't want it anymore. One of my absolute god tier coats. It's fluffy and pink and it's actually fluffy on the inside as well. So this is the best. Oh, would you look at that? Another denim jacket. Keeping this. This is one of my boyfriend's old like Luke jackets. And it's super oversized on me and I love it. I got this leather dress for Halloween, yeah. And I was actually gonna return it after I wore it on Halloween. Sorry. We've all done it though, have we not? Have we not all done it? But yeah, I actually got too attached to it, so decided to keep it, but I've not worn it since Halloween. I just thought it looked really good on Halloween, so I'm keeping it. But then, yeah, like I've not worn it since Halloween because there's never been any time to wear it. But it is a really cute, really nice dress. Another one of these, like, oh, I'm dropping it. Like, you know, like the biker jackets, but this is from New Look. This is like £50. I've really not worn it enough to have spent £50 on it. I don't really know if I like the colour, but I'm still going to keep it. This was like my winter coat like a couple years ago, but I don't know if I don't think it really suits me anymore. I'm gonna, yeah, I think I'll probably give this one away. This is like a really long jacket from Zara and I bought this like last year and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to like wear it in the spring/summer again. Couture Club hoodie, keeping that. Another Couture Club hoodie, keeping that. This is like a high neck jumper from Zara and I really like it. Then my Couture Club jacket, I'll definitely keep this. I literally bought this like last year. Oh, regretting it a lot. Look what just happened. They've literally all fell off my bed and just onto the floor. Why did that have to happen? Why? Okay, but this is the last 3 things in my wardrobe and they're literally all the same, just in different colours. Purple, black and brown, and I literally only bought these like last month, so I'll definitely keep these. Well, hey, look at that. Now I've just got to sort all this out. Yeah, nice, can't wait, look at that. But yeah, I'm just going to leave them there until I'm putting everything back in the wardrobe. Where do I even start in here? Like, where do I actually start? I've just got such random stuff in here. Okay, this is my little sweet tin. My little treat tin. I haven't been in here for a while. I've got like a hot chocolate stirrer, some Turkish delights, and some Cocoa Pops bars. Okay, these are my shoes, so I'm going to like take these out the way because these need to go back in here. I literally have teddy bears in here still. Probably don't need them anymore, but I get a bit attached to my teddy bears. Do I look any good? Down here I've got like loads of stuff that I bought for uni, yeah, in my first year that I got told that we were going to use. And I'm literally like halfway through my second year. Still ain't used it. Got this Adidas hat yet. I actually really like it for the summer. Not like this, obviously. I have to tie my hair back when I wear it, but I actually quite like it. I've got like Garnier shampoos. Might move these to the bathroom. This is my teddy bear called Sparkle. I got him like when I was probably like 10, and he's wearing like baby clothes. He's very cute, isn't he? And then is my teddy bear called Harrod, because he was from Harrods, and he's super soft and he's a very cute bear. I think my great grandma bought him for me, but yeah, I like him very much, so I'm going to keep him as well. And then this is my teddy bear called Bigfoot. I actually lost him. I think I left him on a plane when I went to Turkey, and then like someone had to buy me another one and told me that he got the plane back from Turkey by himself, and like I fully believed it and everything. In like year 7 or 8, we had to make like this monster thing in textiles, and this is mine. The most disturbing thing you'll ever see. And then I have this massive cushion of Stella. Like, that's what she looks like right now. Oh, it is. Look. Can you tell who's who? I didn't really want to film this process because it took way too long, but this is how the inside of the wardrobe is looking now. Much neater. And then I'm just going to start putting my clothes back in now. So here's my final product. So I've got some of my shampoos here. I've literally put like my shoes and all my bags and stuff behind the clothes. I've just put some of my other like skincare and hair care in here as well. And then here's the clothes. I've even got a tiny bit of room at the end. So yeah, I'm pretty glad with how this turned out. I was going to do the drawers in this video as well, but it's a big no. I feel like this video is already like 20 minutes long. And this like literally took ages, so I'm going to leave the drawers for another day. If you want to see me declutter my drawers in like a part 2, then comment that down below. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me declutter my clothes, drop them everywhere, make a massive mess of my room. But yeah, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.